Hello, I'm Penny Morton, a Senior Project Engineer at Koolmill. Koolmill, a UK-based SME, has developed a disruptive, patented rice processing technology. We offer accessible and affordable, low-power, high-performance rice milling. With the support of KTN and Innovate UK, Koolmill has successfully established a pilot mill in rural India. We are the only rice processing technology that can match the capacity of our machinery to suit the individual needs of users without losing performance, work off-grid due to our ultra-low power requirement, as well as being self-powered. Pyrogenesis will explain how agriculture waste, including rice husks, can be turned into heat and power later on. We are currently undertaking an Innovate UK feasibility study in sub-Saharan Africa. The objective is to engage with SME producers and growers to understand their needs and evolve a technical and economically viable solution to meet those needs. Through our Innovate UK and EU projects, we have established a network of strategic partnerships in 7 countries, including India, China, Nigeria, and Malawi. For us, Africa is an exciting and important new opportunity for rice production. We are seeking collaborative partners in Africa who share our vision to transform an antiquated and wasteful global industry that feeds 3.5 billion people daily, move it to a sustainable future, and lift millions from food and fuel poverty. If you share our vision and passion for improving how the world is fed, we would love to chat with you. Remember, be nice to rice.
Koolmill is a paradigm shift in rice processing technology, contributing to 16 of the 17 SDGs. Annually, 60 million tonnes of rice will not make it from farm to fork. That's enough rice to feed 600 million people for a year. Not only is much of this food loss preventable, the finite resources deployed to grow the rice are wasted by poor drying, storage, and antiquated, inefficient processing machinery. After 8,000 years, Koolmill is the 3rd generation of milling technology. Traditionally, rice was hand-pounded to remove the husk. Although this method is labour-intensive and results in significant rice loss and damage, it is still being used in many small rural villages around the world. Mechanised milling was introduced in 1860, yet current methods can still cause up to 80% loss of rice from the entire production. Koolmill technology leads the world in delivering a modern, low-power, simplified and sustainable approach to rice milling. Koolmill treats the rice as a fluid, working gently with the rice to generate a consistent and controllable milling pressure. The natural efficiency of Koolmill's Kool milling technology delivers power savings of 80% and minimises food loss from a valuable resource by avoiding wasted rice and power. The process delivers more food at a higher quality with less loss and minimal damage, increasing both the economic and nutritional value of the rice. Our sustainable process turns waste products such as bran into a valuable and nutritious human food ingredient and husk and straw into a source of power and heat. The current rice value chain is unbalanced and distorted in favour of large commercial millers and marketeers. SME millers and smallholders are excluded by cost, infrastructure and capacity from accessing high-value markets. For 200 million smallholders, their only option is to sell their paddy as a commodity to brokers who sell this on through numerous intermediaries to large commercial mills. Koolmill offers affordable access to best-in-class rice milling as a service. A pay-as-you-mill business model offers performance benefits and cost certainty to SME mills without the need for substantial capital investment, improving their profitability. Koolmill is creating a data-driven digital rice mill where live data reconfigures Koolmill machinery in real time to maximise the return of food from the paddy input. For rural millers and smallholders, Koolmill is a means to create and retain value in local communities. Rice feeds 3.5 billion people daily. For millions of people, rice is literally life. By 2050, this will be 6 billion and rice production will have to increase by 70% to meet demand.
So how will a UK-based SME deliver a £100 million business employing 150 people by 2025? Through Koolmill's global network of over 40 strategic partnerships in 7 countries, we have access to the necessary skills and the capacity we need to deliver our ambitious 5-year plan. Our ambition is to become a top 10 supplier to the rice industry and be recognised as a global thought leader within 10 years. Koolmill is producing more by milling less. This is an accessible, high-performance rice mill in a box, changing how the world is fed, one rice grain at a time. Thank you for your time.